We were getting contacted by many different companies, and even though they differed, we got the gist that the possibility existed that you could go without paying an electric bill. In other words, you could lower your carbon footprint. Having had a friend or two that did it, we decided to start looking into it, and we looked into 4 or 5 before we made our decision to go with Solar Bear. It was limitlessly far above the other communications we've had with other companies. So the Solar Bear communications just so outweighed in professionalism the other ones. There was no other way to go. We knew Duke was going to take a while, but once Duke got rolling, it was probably 8 days from the time I did my online contract signing until the time the gentleman showed up. I can see why the company is moving, being able to branch out, do more and more, and just grow. Good luck to the polar bears and the solar bears and the air bears and the grizzlies and the papa bears and the care bears and the gummy bears and.
That's awesome.
I think the whole thing is meant to instill a sense of professionalism and pride.